We are ready to go. Frank Keener on a John Deere Superstock running a Brett Long alcohol engine. It's called the PLOWBOY'S. Got under the turbo or something else might have happened. Hopefully nothing too serious on the John Deere 8330 called the Bambi out of Michelin Old Gas alcohol engine. Here comes the silver bullet. Nice and smooth, give me my hand, folks. Stick the silver bullet out of 84, Pennsylvania. At the starting line, driving the tractor, Larry Roberts always drove. Right here from Wilmington, Ohio, East International. It's called the Big Toy. With the Big Toy right here from Wilmington, Ohio. Dodge Tractor, Johnny Evans, the Big Toy 2. Something's definitely not good there. Hopefully it's not too serious. We'll get a major tough running the Brett Long alcohol engine. It's called Triple X. Gonna do it for Triple X out of Ashland, Ohio. Bill Keener, who's 23 years old and a green farmer up in Ashland County. 3 Cummins V8 alcohol. It's called Running Beer out of Fort Lincoln, Ohio. And he got out of it before the 108 alcohol. Here comes Running Beer. And hey, we got some fire under the hood. Check it out, boys. Track crew on the ball. And that's running a Captain 208 alcohol. It's called Home Brew. And that's going to do it for the Oliver 2255 Home Brew. 8345 called Fully Loaded. And that's going to do it for Fully Loaded from Delroy, Ohio. The John Deere 8345. We're ready to go. Joe Krakowski, this is a good one. Come on, take care of business. You'll have John Deere 9200 out of Thor, Michigan. Ion Cameras Unlimited Superstocks. Captain Hindu, Neil Gettinger, Keith International MS335. It's better known with the new rap job this year. It's called Lessons Learned. Gotta do it for Lessons Learned. A good run out of Hagerstown, Indiana. We're ready to go. Jimmy Howe, Wilmington, Ohio. Kings International, Ryan, 22. Pretty smooth run, that's going to do it for Ryan Joy 2 from Robert Wilmington. Aaron Hall, 35 years old at the wheel from Waupun, Wisconsin. John Deere 8210 running the Brett Long alcohol engine. It's called Out of Time. Gonna do it for the John Deere BT210 Out of Time. 2 more to go in the class. Still in the lead, it's Jason Evans at 3:33. Hey, and that's gonna do it. Looks like Bob's seen some flames. He's got the fire extinguisher. Check it out, Bob. It's like Bob on the job. To round out the Unlimited Superstock division.
That wakes you up, Mikey?
Sponsored by